What's going on, everyone? George here from The Average Car, and today I'm looking at this 2017 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. I want to give a shout out to Power Kia here in Salem. This was on their lot and they let me take a couple minutes to take a look at it, so let's get right into it. Before getting too far into it, if y'all are interested in these videos, please hit that subscribe button down below, hit a thumbs up, and help a little guy on the YouTube world out. I'd really appreciate that. All right, so the key fob here, Toyota's had this key fob in many of their vehicles since 1826, and they've had this just standard key since 1643. So nothing fancy here. Toyota's kept it the same for a while, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Door slam, solid. So for the interior, it's nothing crazy, so I'm pretty much gonna keep it short and sweet. You've got your simple, easy to read gauges along with your screen from the future here, showing some extra info, along with this screen from the future here, your infotainment system. And then all of your stuff is just easy to find and easy to control. You've got a cup holder here, a cup holder here, and they can't be together because that doesn't make any sense. You got this sweet custom fiber looking stuff going on. You've got your rear window control back there because 4Runners are known for that. Heated seats right here, and then a spot for your phone or whatever it is that you've got right there. Center console is huge, kind of tough. It's not like super soft, but you can fit a ton down here. As you can see, there's a lot of space, and you've got a 12-volt outlet right there. And then, yeah, there's a decent amount of space. I like that. Steering wheel controls, pretty simple. Like I said, nothing fancy there. This cruise control that Toyota's had since, 1995 pretty much, it just works, and that just says something about Toyota. It's simple, especially when you're driving. It makes sense from an ergonomic standpoint. Like, it's just right here. You can click it and control that. I'm going to set the seat where I normally sit and show you the space in the back. Obviously that's nothing to worry about, but there is a ton of space in these, so this is where I would sit. Let's take a look. Sitting in the back seat here, got myself a solid 10-11 inches or so of legroom. And you've got yourself a little basket right here, a little basket over here, your vents, 12-volt outlets on both sides right there. And then, yeah, leather seats. Fold this down to see some cup holders that can peel out for extra space if you've got a large hydro flask or whatever it may be. And then kind of like a harder plastic over here. Let's take a look at the storage space. Obviously nothing you really have to worry about. Let's go ahead, we can even just get in here and get kind of cozy. So we're inside the 4Runner now in the extra storage space we've got. You've got your grocery getter straps right over here, and you can fold the seats down for even more space, but let's see if I can do this from here. Bam. Push that down, just like that, and then you need to adjust the headrest. But look at all this extra space you've got. You've got yourself like a 5 or 6 foot bed pretty much once you fold everything down. Got your strap here to shut it. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. So that is this 2017 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. Thanks for watching, everyone. If y'all have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them down below. I'll do my best to get back as soon as possible, and I will see y'all next time.